If you're new to iPad, accessories can feel overwhelming and expensive. Today, I want to help you understand which accessories are actually useful and which ones you really don't need yet. Before buying anything, the most important question is, how do you use your iPad? Some people mainly read, watch videos, or browse the web. Others write notes, send emails, or do a bit of work. Accessories only help if they match what you already do. Let's start with the stylus, like an Apple Pencil. This can be really useful if you enjoy handwriting notes, highlighting documents, or sketching. But if you mostly type, read, or watch videos, you don't need one straight away. It's helpful, but it's not essential for everyone. A keyboard is great if you write longer notes, emails, or messages. If you find yourself typing a lot, a keyboard can make the iPad feel more comfortable. But if you only type occasionally, the on-screen keyboard might be more than enough for now. It all depends what you use your iPad for and how much you use it to type. One of the most underrated accessories is a simple stand or case. Being able to prop your iPad up makes reading, watching videos, or following tutorials much easier. Comfort actually matters more than fancy features. Here's the good news. You don't need to buy everything at once. Many beginners spend money on accessories they rarely use. It's completely fine to start simple and add things later. My advice is this: use your iPad first, notice what feels limiting, and then choose accessories to solve your problem. If you're new here, I share simple tech tips for beginners. I will also be posting videos, so feel free to subscribe.